Hello, welcome back and welcome to day 3 of our 5-day yoga week. Today's practice is fully dedicated to sun prayers, our yoga, Sun Salutations or Surya Namaskar, you might know it under that name. It's a more energizing practice than the last 2 days and I'm really proud that you're back for day 3 and I look forward to step onto the mat with you in just a moment. So we begin our practice in tabletop, so you can come onto your hands and knees. Bring your palms underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips, and untuck your toes so you can press the tops of your feet down onto the mat. And as you ground your hands, try to really spread your fingers wide, your index finger and your thumb creating that L shape and the middle finger pointing forward. Gently bend your elbows. So your elbows are facing the outside edges of your mat, just making sure that you're not hyperextending. And then let's start to warm our bodies up with cat and cow. So drop the belly down, lift your chest and your gaze. As you exhale, curl up through the spine, lift the shoulder blades towards the ceiling. Inhale, drop the belly down, allow the belly to really drop and relax, look forward and up. And as you breathe out, draw your navel in, lift the shoulder blades. Very nice. 3 more rounds. Inhale, arch the spine, look forward. And exhale, round your back chin to the chest. Beautiful work. Use your own breath. Take 2 more rounds. One more inhale. And exhale. Cat pose. Very nice. Come back to your neutral spine. Then take your hands one hand width further forward. Curl your toes under. Shift your hips back and up. And find your first downward facing dog for this practice. Downward facing dog is where we have the hands a bit more than shoulder width apart. Feet about hip width apart. And you try to create an L shape with your body. So from your hands, you lift up into the tailbone. From your tailbone down into your heels. And the heels, they might be lifted and knees might be more bent. This is really up to how your body feels today. Very nice. And then start to bend one knee at a time. Just gently start to walk your down dog out here on the spot. Relaxing the head, relaxing the neck. And then keep walking the legs, but now look forward and step by step take your feet to the front of your mat. Coming into Uttanasana, you're standing forward fold. Hold opposite elbows, relax the head down, and then just gently sway the body left and right. And as we're going to use our feet as our anchor today, really feel the feet, the soles grounding down into the earth. Not tensing up, just grounding. And then as you come back to center, release your arms, tuck your chin down to your chest and slowly roll up to standing. Making sure it feels nice for the low back. And then as you come up, lift the shoulders to the ears, roll them up and then down your back. Beautiful work. And now we start with our sun prayers, bringing the hands towards either side of the body. Knees are gently bent. Lift up through the crown of your head and allow yourselves to really come into a nice, proud, open position. Beautiful work. We start together with a breath. Inhale, reach your arms forward and up. Hands meet at the top. Bend your knees. Exhale, forward fold. Relax the head down. As you inhale, bring your hands to your shins first and then all the way to your upper thighs for flat back. Tuck your elbows into your sides. Exhale, release your hands down. Step the right foot back. Step your left foot back into plank. From here, for the first round, drop the knees down, shift the body forward so your shoulders are over the wrists, hug your elbows in, and then slowly release the body down to the floor. As you inhale, lift the heart, tuck your elbows in, come into cobra, doesn't matter how far you're lifting. Exhale to release, curl your toes under, push back into tabletop the same way you came in, and then hips move back and up for downward facing dog. Very, very nice. And this is our routine for today, our sun salutation. There is different versions, but today we use plank and then cobra back into down dog. Take a moment here to lengthen, to stretch out in down dog. And then lift the heels. Again, walk your feet forward to the top of your mat. Relax the head and neck. And then we roll up to standing. So if that doesn't feel right, you can come up with a straight spine. Otherwise, roll up through the spine. Inhale, lift the shoulders. And exhale, drop them down away from the ears. Open your palms. Again, we start to inhale. Arms move up, hands meet. Prayer pose. And exhale, forward fold. Uttanasana. Knees can be bent. Inhale, lift halfway, hands to the shins, or again upper thighs, see how it feels. Crown of the head points forward, gaze is down. Exhale, release, hands meet the ground, step the left foot back, step the right foot back into plank. This time you can drop the knees down again, or you shift forward without the knees, hug your elbows in and slowly lower to the ground. Hips come down first, and then chest releases. Inhale, lift up into cobra. See how it feels, roll the shoulders down, gently push the hips down, squeeze your glutes. Exhale, release, curl your toes under. If you came in through plank, then push into plank now, or again tabletop, lift the hips back and up for your downward facing dog. And we're just slowly, you could say, level it up, making it a bit more challenging, but you don't have to go there. You can do exactly what we've done the first round. See how it feels. Now lift your heels. This time look forward. Step the left foot forward, or walk again. Step the right foot forward. Uttanasana. With your next inhale, lift, lift, lift. Arms are heavy, then lift the shoulders. Drop them down. Open the palms. We start again. Inhale, nice full breath. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, lift halfway. Your fingertips might stay on the floor, but make sure your neck is long. Exhale, release. Step the right foot back, step the left foot back, plank. Shift the body forward with or without the knees. Lower down to the earth. Breathe in, lift up into Cobra, Bhujangasana. Exhale, curl your toes under, either tabletop or plank. Brings you back into downward facing dog. Breathe out. Very nice. Inhale, lift the heels, look forward. Right foot steps forward, left foot forward fold. Bend your knees lots, come up to standing, roll up, shoulders lift, and then open your heart. Open your palms for mountain pose. Inhale, full breath. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift the body halfway, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, release, version of stepping back or hop back into plank. Shift forward, inhale, one more level where you can change it, lower halfway, untuck your toes. Inhale, lift into upward facing dog, engage your glutes here, protect your lower back. And then exhale for downward facing dog. As you inhale, lift the heels, look forward, walk, hop or step to the top of your mat. Uttanasana, release. Inhale, roll through the spine, come to standing, shoulders lift. And then open everything back up. 2 more rounds. Inhale, full length. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, release. Step or hop back into plank. Inhale, really use the breath. Exhale to lower. Breathe in, lift into Cobra, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe in, lift the heels. Exhale, make it to the top of your mat. Release. Breathe in, roll up through standing, lift the shoulders. And exhale, open everything back out. Last round. Inhale, full breath. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, choose your last version. Take it back. Plank, shift forward. Lower all the way or halfway. Inhale, opening up into Cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful, beautiful work. And we're going to take a moment to bring the breath back down. Again, the heart rate, if it has increased, you might feel a bit more of energy rushing through the body. Hopefully you do. Throughout these Sun Salutations, we really try to bring prana, life force back into the body. So we take 3 more rounds of breaths here. You can move, you can be in stillness, but making sure the head is fully and completely relaxed. Press through all 10 fingers. Lift your hips. Keep your shoulders externally rotated and away from the ears. Very, very nice. Beautiful work, everyone. Now, to seal off our practice for today, gently release the knees down to the earth. Bring them about hip-width apart. Big toes together. Shift your hips back to your heels for child's pose. Take your arms around the body, or you can make fists as a pillow for your forehead. And then allow your body to simply be. Allowing the movement, the benefits of the practice to settle into your body. Find nice deep breaths now. Really breathe into your belly. Feel the belly doming out on the inhale. Softening on the exhale. While you're breathing, feel the breath moving into your back. Beautiful work, everyone. Really, really nice. Of course, and as always, feel free to finish in Shavasana or stay here for longer. But if you're moving into your day ahead now or continue with your day, I just wish you a wonderful day and thank you for being here. From my heart to yours. Namaste.